welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide your Facebook friend list. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to hide your friend list on Facebook, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Facebook. Once you open your Facebook, you need to go to your profile and tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you need to simply go and tap on privacy. After this, you can simply tap on audience invisibility, and here in your how people find and contact you option, you can simply tap on who can see your friend list. So you can simply tap on it and simply tap on the section called only me. Once you tap on only me or your friends except or specific friend to customize who see it, you can make your connections private. So this way you can simply hide your friend list on your Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.